What's going on, guys? Welcome to TNT's Metal Meltdown. Now, today we're going to be featuring a band that I've featured on the channel before, which is Avenge Sevenfold. The song I'm going to be checking out is called Hail to the King. Now, one thing about this band I seem to find with metalheads is that they either love them or they hate them. I know they have a strong fan base, but it seems like when I do feature them on the live stream on Metal Meltdown, we get split between half the chat. They're like, oh, I hate it, and then the other half is like, oh, I love them. So I want to know what people love and hate about this band. So, of course, you can leave your comments down below in the comment section. But let's go ahead and check out this song, Hail to the King. Let's go. Okay, doesn't sound too bad. Alright, so right off the bat, I'm feeling this track. It's not too bad. It's got a nice groove to it. But as soon as the lyrics cut in and he starts singing, the number one thing I start thinking about is Metallica. He's like, watch your tongue, I have it cut from your head. It sounds like some shit James Hetfield would sing. Anyway, let's keep going.
Oil flames will come up out in chaos, bringing daylight to the night. Death is riding into town with armor. They come to take all your rights. Hail to the king, hail to the world, kneel to the crown, stand in the sun. Hail to the king.
Okay, I liked it. I thought this was a dope ass song. It was really, really catchy, really, really cool. Had a nice groove to it, and yeah, I can see this is a song where if this is your first time hearing this band, this would make you want to hear more or learn more about the band because I can't really say there was too many things bad about the song. It had an overall good feel to it. It had a nice solo, and the only thing I would say that metalheads who dislike this band, why they would dislike it is because it sounds very commercial, sounds very clean. But that's to be expected with something like this. This is a single. This is a song that's going to get people into this band. But yeah, I thought it was really cool. So I do want to continue my journey with Avenge Sevenfold. So far, I believe I've listened to Brompton Cocktail, Chapter 4, and I believe there was another song. But yeah, if you guys have any requests, leave it down below in the comment section. Yeah, because I think this band is pretty cool. But anyway, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.